Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to birdwatch the double barred finch in Heartopia. Birdwatching this bird is useful to complete your birdwatching diary or birdwatching collections, and for the info card, you can exchange for rewards with Bailey J. And you can also sell the info card to NPC Albert if you want some extra coins. And to find this double barred finch, you can just go to the fishing village, more precisely at the Lighthouse area. And the good news is this bird spawns all time and at the sunny, rainy, and rainbow. So you don't need to wait for a specific time or conditions. Just go to the fishing village, and more precisely at the Lighthouse area. This one, just go to this area and then just bird watching this double barred finch. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.